Hi, today I'll show you one secret code for your Firestick which you can use to get thousands of apps which are not available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And there are all kinds of apps. Movie apps, TV shows, live TV, live sports, media players, and so on. And the whole setup is actually really easy too. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get that amazing alternative app store on your Firestick. And firstly, you need to get the app code downloader on your Firestick. If you already have the downloader on your device and it is properly set up, then you could actually skip this step. But if you don't have the downloader yet, or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then of course you gotta follow me. So we just go to the search bar on your Firestick. Let's open search and start typing downloader in here. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom now. Just click on it, and here is this orange app, which you gotta get to the Firestick. But then, after you got downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now, in order to actually set up the downloader, we need to go to the settings, so let's do it right now. You click that button with a gear icon, then just scroll down and open My Fire TV. So we open it, and then from here what you have to do is turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps, and from here all you have to do is locate downloader, here it is, and turn that option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So we go back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick. Let's open it. And here you will find the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire Stick. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Bulgaria right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in the description of this video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So we just go back to the list of apps on your device. Here it is. Let's open it, and here's the downloader, which we'll use from now on. So you open the downloader application, wait a moment until it loads for you, and now just open the search bar, and in the search you have to enter the link, which will be applinked.store. So let's enter that together. Once again, it's applinked.store. So here is the link. Enter it exactly as you see on my screen, and make sure not to make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, then the link will not work for you properly. After that, just click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Firesticks. Then this web page will open, and you have to click on that green download app linked button. You click on it, and the download of this alternative app store has started for us now. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then just click install and wait a bit until the app gets fully installed to your device. And after that, don't click on open yet, instead press done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick. So just click on delete and then delete once again. This way, you will be able to save yourself some free space on your Firestick. And it's really important, because by default, your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And then we actually have to go to settings one more time, open My Fire TV, go to developer options, install unknown apps, and now we have to turn that option on for the app linked as well, because we'll be using app linked to download other applications from the internet. And then we return to the list of apps on your device. Let me open it. And here at the bottom you will find this alternative app store. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines, right next to the home button on your remote. Just click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just do not forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can use the link below this video to get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free. Then you can finally open the app linked alternative app store. And now there in the app, you can either click on public stores and take a look at all the apps that are available in here, or scroll down and browse apps by categories. And there are such categories as live streaming, movies and TV shows, games, verified apps, sports, as well as utilities. So you can just open any of those categories. Let's say I open sports, and now from here you get access to all the best sports apps for your Firestick or Android TV device. Of course, I had to blur out my screen because YouTube does not allow me to show you the exact applications that are available in this app. But in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurred. So enjoy it all and see you next time. Bye bye.